We have all the ingredients ready for our cinematic orange chicken. Let's begin by preparing the chicken. 2 eggs, cornstarch and flour for a light crispy coating. Chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm seasoning with salt and black pepper. I'm laying out the coated chicken so it fries evenly. I'm heating oil for frying. I'm frying the chicken in batches. Turning the chicken until it's golden and crispy. Second batch going in. Okay. Fresh orange juice, orange zest, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. This is the orange sauce. Adding the crispy chicken to the orange sauce. Adding the rest of the chicken. This sauce is gloss, sticky, and rich. Steamed white rice. Plating the rice. Orange chicken. I'm finishing the plating. Sliced scallions. Sesame seeds. Chinese orange chicken. Better than takeout. Setting the table. Final angle for the best light. Picking up the first piece. Crispy and glossy. Ready to taste. Ready to taste. This looks amazing. A little rice with it. Adding the crispy chicken to the orange sauce. Perfect bite. First bite. That's so good. Crispy, sweet, tangy, and better than takeout. Going in for another bite. The sauce is perfect. I would make this again. This is my favorite bite. Absolutely worth it.